Haven't been in a couple of weeks. I'm going to check in on Dominic, see how the Mach 1's coming along. But wow, first I got to look at this awesome Chevy El Camino. Boy, what a nice ride right there. And that is awesome. If you like Chevy El Caminos like I do. Whoa. Another beautiful car in the shop. Let's see what Dominic's doing over here on the Mach 1. What's going on, Dominic?
Hey, man, what's going on, man? What's going on?
Boy, you are working hard over here.
Wow, man. Wow, man. It's been a while since I've seen you, man.
Yeah, what a difference. Man.
Do you like that?
Love it.
Wow, man.
Nice and shiny.
Nice and shiny.
Neat.
Yeah, man.
From the last video, you had the upper and lower cowls off and the fenders off and showing all the trash and decay that was down in there. Boy, what a difference.
Yeah, man.
So what are you doing right there today?
Well, what I got going on right now is I'm just kind of organizing wires and putting conduit on wires and making sure everything looks nice and pretty before I hook everything back up.
Yeah.
We got the new power steering system in. Had to custom build a bracket for the power steering pump. I mean, that's the AC, I'm sorry, AC unit. And I'm just trying to reroute the wires to where they give a good presentation when you open up the hood, you know? Put a little bit of color on the block and the water pump. Let's see. And just put a little bit of black paint everywhere, man. Black paint never hurts anything.
Looking good, and I noticed on your YouTube channel, Forefront Customs, you have a lot of shorts of all the daily work that you're doing on it. Shows you a lot more detail of what's going on.
Yeah. Let me tell you a little bit about the aprons that we got going on. Rear aprons are installed. Front aprons are installed on both sides. Let's see. How we got the condenser sent off, so that'll be back soon. We have, let's see, we have the brand new heater core.
Nice.
And then, of course, the AC system's got to be in there, looking, you know, pretty fly.
Oh yeah.
So I'll be installing that today, and I'll be rerouting all the lines and whatnot. This is just a little excessive there. I don't like it, you know. So I don't know what that was, but I just like the way these old cars shine up, man. If you just put a little bit of effort into them, you know. So I'm really thankful that we get to do this for this customer. By the way, if you guys ever need any U-Haul rental, Burrell's Tire Service, and U-Haul rentals in Fort Worth. Now that's Carol Burrell. This is his vehicle, and he's the one shelling out the coin to build this thing. Also want to give a big shout out to SuperTech in Willow Park, Alito area, for allowing our dreams to come true and supporting and giving Forefront Customs a chance to build a dream. Yeah, man. So thank you, James Vick. Thank you, Jody Vick. You're always a blessing. And thank you to the SuperTech team for always showing a little bit of knowledge and showing love, man. We get to build some cool stuff for them.
Got some awesome projects going on.
We do, man. We do.
And still got the 66 Mustang Restomod.
Oh, yeah. You guys saw the suspension coming, didn't you?
I think so.
Yeah, right on, right on. So we'll be updating that suspension here pretty soon. Hopefully I get this done within the next few weeks or so. At least to paint and body. That's my goal.
Like I say, got a lot of progress since the last time I was in here. And like I say, make sure you check out Forefront Customs YouTube channel. He's got a lot of shorts of all the little daily work going in to show you more detail if you're interested in that. And check out Rockin' Classic Cars. Like and subscribe to both our channels and help us build this and show you more content.
Yeah, man. And thank you for liking the fro. You know, without the fro, we wouldn't be here.
The magic
doing the cool
fro.
stuff for you guys. It's the magic fro. It's all in the fro, bro. It's all in the fro.
What else you got, Dominic? Is that it for now?
That's it for now. I got the 36 UTE. I got to finish that up. That fender over there. Oh, we got a bead roller coming in, dude. So you get to see me
Bead roller, wow.
roll some pretty cool panels out
That'll
for
be
you
pretty
guys.
awesome.
I'm super excited about that. So, yeah, man. James told me that like 2 days ago. He said, "Hey, man, I got you a bead roller."
Oh, that's awesome, man.
And I was like, "What?" He said, "Yeah, man.
New tools.
New tool. That's called new toys.
New toys, that's
new
right.
Toys.
I had it wrong.
Yeah, man.
Well, we'll check back in with you
Yeah, man, definitely.
on the next episode and continue the progress here.
Right on, brother, man. Hey, man. Take it easy. Have a blessed one.